The former ZANU-PF political commissar Sylvius Kasukuwere has urged Zimbabweans to unite and resist President Emmerson Mnangagwa's plans to extend his rule beyond the 2028 constitutional limits. Zisarapinda mashoko atona kuti aiwa Kasukuwere oshedzera public protests achiti aiwa this 2030 plan aiwa must be resisted not wasubscribe walaika on the bell icon. Tibina muna umudwani kwa mchinzi Kasukuwere, now living in exile in South Africa, described Mnangagwa's plan as a threat to Zimbabwe's democracy, constitutionalism, and the rule of law. Kasukuwere criticized the plan, saying it prioritizes power consolidation over national renewal. He argued that the proposed constitutional amendments are a serious threat to the prevailing constitutional order and democracy. Kasukuwere also accused Mnangagwa of working with some members of the opposition to create a facade of inclusivity while dismantling democracy checks and balances. The former minister emphasized that Zimbabweans must take immediate action to resist Mnangagwa's plan. He called for a coordinated effort across multiple fronts, including civil society organizations, political parties, religious groups, and ordinary citizens. Kasukuwere proposed public consultations as platforms for mobilization where citizens can voice their opposition and demand accountability. Kasukuwere also advocated for legal challenges, public protest, and international advocacy as essential components of resistance efforts. He stressed that Zimbabweans should not allow Mnangagwa to extend his rule for self-interest, saying that the fight to restore Zimbabwe's dignity and integrity will not be easy but is necessary. Tomashwana mudatokwana Kasukuwere aiwa achichedzera kuti vakomana aiwa in all these ways let us resist this unconstitutional zvatikona kuti vakomana vari kuda kungoextenda term kuti vafavhe mabenefits avo but macitizens achisafa. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitupo ichi. Pinda comment section medu, musana subscribe or like, watch it on the bell icon.